Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles with Ziploc bags. First, select your preferred juice or a blend of fruit purees. Next, grab some small, freezer-safe Ziploc bags, ideally around 6 by 4 inches, which are perfect for single servings. Also, make sure you have a funnel or a measuring cup with a convenient spout ready. This will help prevent any spills and make the filling process much smoother and cleaner. Let's get started. Now let's fill those bags. Using your funnel or spouted cup, carefully pour about 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid into each Ziploc bag. It's important not to overfill them. Leave approximately 2 inches of space at the top. This allows for expansion as the liquid freezes, preventing the bags from bursting. Once filled, gently press out any excess air before securely sealing each bag. A good seal is key to avoiding leaks in your freezer. With your bags filled and sealed, it's time for the freezer. Arrange the filled Ziploc bags flat on a baking sheet. This helps them maintain a nice, even shape as they freeze. Make sure the bags aren't overlapping, as this can lead to uneven freezing and longer wait times. Place the baking sheet in your freezer and let them chill for at least 4 hours, or until they are completely solid. Patience is a virtue for perfect popsicles. Once your popsicles are frozen solid, they're ready to enjoy. Simply grab a pair of scissors and snip off one of the top corners of the Ziploc bag. This creates a convenient opening for you to squeeze out and enjoy your delicious, homemade treat. It's a simple, fun, and cost-effective way to beat the heat. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.